Getting paid $500 a day by just uploading photos. An easy method for making money online in 2022. Getting paid $500 in passive income daily sounds incredible but also unbelievable, right? But in reality, it is very much possible. And today, I will tell you how to make $500 a day just by uploading photos. First of all, you all must know what stock photos are. If you don't, let me tell you. Basically, stock images are generic photos, illustrations, and icons made without a particular project in mind. They are then licensed, sometimes with a fee but primarily free, to individuals or organizations for use in marketing materials, websites, packaging, book covers, and other things. And I think you might be getting the idea of what I will tell you. Yes, you can earn $500 daily simply by uploading pictures to stock photo websites. Now, there must be a question arising in your mind. I don't have photos. How will I earn money then? Or, I'm not a professional photographer who clicks pictures. You don't need to worry if you don't have photos or are not a professional photographer. As step number 1 is to have photos. I will tell you about 9 websites from where you can find free stock photos to use and upload. So let's get started. You can find plenty of high quality and free photos from number 1, Vecteezy. Number 2, FreePic. Number 3, Morguefile. Number 4, Pixabay. Number 5, StockVault. Number 6, Pexels. Number 7, PicJumbo. Number 8, RawPixel. And number 9, Reshot. Now let me explain what these sites can do for you. Who secures the number 1 spot? Vecteezy. Vecteezy is a stock-free image website with a vast library of lovely free stock photos. A few advantages make this website stand out against other stock photo sites. Number 1. The site has more potent search engine that will allow you to filter photos by color, orientation, style, number of people, age of models, and many other things. Number 2. They provide site model and property releases for all free photos where needed. This will protect you from legal liabilities, a detail often overlooked by other free stock photo sites. And number 3. Vecteezy's content team members manually review each photo submission for quality, which means that their photo collection is expertly curated, ensuring the high bar of quality you need. On number 2, I have FreePic. FreePic is a powerful search engine that will help you find free high-quality stock photos and other graphic resources such as vector images, illustrations, and PSD files. Millions of visual aids are available to download, and you can use them in any personal or professional design project. In addition, their search engine has powerful filters helping to find any resource, orientation, color, style, etc. You can also download graphic resource formats from FreePic that are compatible with Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. The third free stock image website I will tell you about is Morguefile. This site is also different because photos are not curated and not as professionally produced as on Unsplash or Gratisography. You'll find pictures of random people and everyday objects. If you need a simple photo of a kid brushing his teeth, this is the free stock photo website for you. Keep watching until the end to know how you can earn $500 daily with these stock images. On to the following website, which is Pixabay. Pixabay is a top-rated stock photo site with an extensive database of high-quality images. It is more oriented toward business and marketing. Another significant benefit of Pixabay is offering free vectors and illustrations. Get free stock images from StockVault. This website is another excellent source of free stock photos, wallpapers, and textures. Their collection is well curated and has new daily additions. StockVault also has a good search engine and is well organized for browsing by category. The most popular website for free stock photos and videos is Pexels. I can't do a video on free stock images without mentioning Pexels. Their vast, well-organized collection of free stock photos is one of the most amazing curated on the internet. They also have free stock videos. Pexels is the go-to photo source for many bloggers and content creators. Before moving on to the following website, subscribe to the channel to learn more unique ways to earn money online. Like and share the video so other people can also benefit from it. Our next website is PicJumbo. PicJumbo is run by a 24-year-old photographer who was tired of getting his photos rejected by major stock sites and decided to create his own. It is now a thriving free stock photo community with an extensive selection of beautiful free images. On number 8, we have RawPixel. RawPixel claims to have the industry's most diverse collection of stock photos, and this might be true. RawPixel also has vectors, PSD mockups, and public domain content like famous Japanese wood panel prints. My last website to get stock photos for free is Reshot. Reshot is not just a simple stock photo collection, it is also a community with a mission. Their collections are extensive, stunning, and completely free. Almost all images on these free stock sites have a Creative Commons Zero license. This means you can copy, adapt, or distribute the pictures without requiring author consent, even for commercial purposes. So the conclusion is, you can do whatever you want with them. Step number 2 is to download photos of your choice which are of high quality. Now, where will you upload the downloaded stock photos to earn? On Shutterstock. And the process is straightforward. Our third and final step is to go to the Shutterstock website and sign up for their creators program. Then, log into your Shutterstock account and open Editor. Click My Files in the menu and then Uploads. You can drag and drop files from your computer or click Upload Image to upload the desired file. And you will be paid for your photos. Try to upload photos according to the season or upcoming festivals to earn more money, as people will download those photos more. For example, you can upload Christmas, Thanksgiving, and New Year photos, as they can be used in photo cards, invitations, and wallpapers. Follow these steps precisely as I have told you, and you can earn up to $500 and more daily. So what are you waiting for? Start earning now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money. See you with another valuable video for you. Thanks for watching.